how to find your account and routing number in Bank of America app. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be guiding you through the steps in order to do so. So without any delay, let's just get started. So what you may do is open up the Bank of America application, or you can even visit the website. And once you are logged in, you should be finding this particular interface. Now all you gotta do is head over to the account and whose routing number you want to find. So tap on it, and once you do, it will show you your available balance for that particular banking account. Similarly, right below the balance, you will be finding option called account and routing. So go ahead and find that option and tap on it. And then once you tap on it, there you go. It will just show you your account number and your routing number that you can use in order for transactions and everything. Similarly, if you would like to use for wire transactions, we have different account and routing number. You can find that option called wires. Right below it, you can find account and routing number. You may go ahead and view it from there as well. So therefore, if you'd also like to find your account and routing number in Bank of America app, you may follow up these steps. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.